Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions. So on today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to calculate the terrain ruggedness index using your digital elevation model. So it determines, or it calculates, it's a quantitative measure to know how rugged, or rigid your terrain is. So we come to raster, we go to analysis, and then we have the TRI, that's the terrain ruggedness index. So the value usually ranges from 0 to 497, right? Good. So depending on the location your terrain is, or maybe your study area, you have the values from 0 to 497, like that's the extent. So we have our input layer to be this, and then if we decide not to compute edges, and then perhaps we just leave the output as a scratch layer, we can just run. So what this simply means is that yes, we have 0 to 51, which shows that the location of this terrain is actually very flat. There is no much of ruggedity. So we are trying to change the symbology. Let's make that equal interval. Then let's reduce the label precision to 1. Okay. And then we can just click on OK. So it's giving us these regions to be having the highest ruggedity, and then every other region is actually within the lower spectrum, right? Good. So basically we've shown you how to use the digital elevation model in your QGIS to calculate the terrain ruggedness index, right? Good, of any study area. So we are going to see you on another interesting tutorial. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.